Hi everyone, my name is Nilupur Pulathusi Amarasekara. Now I'm going to talk about the history of Sri Lanka tourism and the current situation of Sri Lanka tourism. Do you have any idea who is the first tourist who visited Sri Lanka in 410s? And he is a Chinese traveler called Fahian. So he is the first one, as per the history, who's traveled to Sri Lanka as a tourist. And the Italian explorer Marco Polo claimed that the Sri Lanka is the best island of its size in the world, and he has described Sri Lanka like that. But in 1937, the Ceylon Tourist Bureau was established and started the tourism in Sri Lanka is officially. And officially government is doing the Sri Lankan promotions from 1937. But in 1939, the government has to close the Ceylon Tourist Bureau because of the Second World War in that period. But in 1966, again, I mean, that is after the 1948, the Sri Lanka independence, again, they have re-established the Ceylon Tourist Board, as Ceylon Tourist Board in 1966 and started to do the Sri Lankan promotions, the Sri Lankan tourism promotions in Sri Lanka. And in October 2007, it was replaced as Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority or the SLTDA. So that is the history of the Sri Lanka Tourist Board, as you know, or the Sri Lanka Tourist Development Authority, Tourism Development Authority, and that is the history about that. But now I'm going to mention some the history of the tourism arrivals. So from 1971 to 1982, the tourist arrival has been increased up to 24%. But after in 1983, again the number of tourism arrivals has started to decline because of the civil war started in 1983 in Sri Lanka. So started to declining the number of tourism arrivals to Sri Lanka. So because they fear to come to Sri Lanka because in a civil war occasion. So that's a normal thing. By the way, it was hugely affected in that era to the tourism industry in Sri Lanka. But in 2009, the civil war was end, and again the Sri Lanka tourism industry become back to normal, and again the number of tourism started to increase. But again in 2019, Sri Lanka has to face another crisis situation, that is the Easter Sunday attack. So from that day onwards, again the number of tourists has been declining, started to declining, not declining. The tourists has stopped to visit Sri Lanka. It was for 4 months, for 3 months. There was a little number of, I mean, the number is not so much. The tourism in the tourist arrivals, but it was going to be again back to normal in the winter season. Normally the winter season started in 1st of November. So from that again the people are started, I mean not people, the tourists are started to travel to Sri Lanka. The number started again to increase. But from the beginning of this year, that means year 2020, the world has to face the crisis of the coronavirus or the COVID-19. So that one started to affect Sri Lanka as well. So there's no tourists in Sri Lanka at this place, but there are tourists who couldn't go back to their own country, but our people didn't ignore them. They treated them, and they gave food, they gave accommodation, because we we are good in hospitality, so we prove that we are treating you though you are in a trouble. Now the number of patients in Sri Lanka is declining, and again the airport is opening on 15th of August onwards. So I'm asking you, the people in the world, to come and visit Sri Lanka, and we will treat you as earlier, like the ones who was in trouble, the tourist who was in trouble. We will treat you again, like treat you all like that. So I will ask you to visit Sri Lanka. We will warmly welcome you after 15th of August. Thank you.